Hi, I'm Kerri from Ashcombe Farm and Greenhouse, and today we're making an herb garden. When making your herb garden, you want to choose a container that has a hole in the bottom for drainage. Herbs don't like to be too wet, so this will make sure that they're drying out. It doesn't matter what container you use, whether it's clay, plastic, or ceramic, just make sure it has a hole in the bottom. First, you want to fill your container with some good all-purpose, well-draining potting soil. I'm going to fill it up about halfway. When you're choosing your herbs, you want to think about whether you're using them for culinary purposes or for aromatic purposes or maybe a repellent. I pick things that are all good for cooking. I have basil, mint, parsley, oregano, sage, and thyme. When you're arranging your herbs, you may want to think about what gets the tallest and plant that towards the back of your container, or things that maybe hang over, you probably want to plant towards the edge of your pot. So for this one, my basil is definitely the tallest. If you pull it out and it seems like it's pretty pot bound, just give the roots a little squeeze and just place it into your pot. I'm going to do the parsley next. This is our mint. This is a good one for teas. Spearmint. Next I have a sage. This is a Burr Garden sage, the gray leaves. Again, just squeeze it if it seems like your roots are pretty intact. This is an oregano. This is Italian oregano. This is the most popular oregano. I'm going to put that one towards the front because it does like to trail. And then I have a silver thyme. It tastes like a regular thyme, but it does have the variegated leaves, and I'm going to put that one towards the front also. Then I'm just going to fill in the edges with some more potting soil anywhere there's a little space. Growing herbs inside, they definitely like a bright location, so you're looking at about 6 hours of direct sun, probably in a south or a west-facing window. They do like to be on the dry side, so water them well, but let them dry out in between each watering, and try to avoid getting water on their leaves. That does lead to mildew inside. And they do like to be trimmed because it does encourage them to keep blooming and producing. You can keep this inside year-round, or come spring, if you would like to, you can plant a lot of these outside as they are perennials. You could also separate them if they outgrow their pots into separate containers. Join me next week for more gardening tips from Ashcombe.